Hi everyone, in this video I will guide you how to insert picture control in Word document. Picture control lets user insert images into a form or a template by clicking a placeholder image. It is commonly used in resume, forms, ID card, reports and reusable documents template. So first we need to enable the developer tab. For this you need to right click over between the tabs and click on the customize the ribbon, and on the right side you need to check mark the developer tab and click OK to proceed. And now here you can see that developer tab is enabled. So now place your cursor where you want the picture box. Now open the developer tab and in the control groups click the picture content control icon. Here it is. It looks like a small picture image icon. A picture placeholder will appear in the document. So now click the picture placeholder and select the image from your computer, stock images or icons. I'll be selecting this image, click insert. So the image will appear inside the content control box. So now you can resize the picture by dragging the corner like this one. You can rotate it like this one. It's up to you. So you can prevent user from deleting the control. And now click on the developer tabs again and click on the properties. And here you can give the title, for example, mountain. You can give some tags like desert, mountains, nature, etc. You can select the show as bounding box, start and end tag and none. It's up to you which one you like it, like this one. If you want to none, like this one. If you want to insert bounding box, like this one. So I'll be selecting the start and end tag. So you can also prevent user to delete the picture. For this you need to check the content control cannot be deleted and contents cannot be edited. Click OK, and now no one can delete it. If you press delete button or a backspace, no one can delete the picture. So this way you can easily insert picture control in Word document. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.